What is up, my people? So today I wanted to do a bit of a different video for you guys. There's a lot going on in crypto. It is so volatile at the moment. It's up, down, and I know a lot of people are slowly starting to get shaken out of the space. But should we be getting shaken out of the space now? Or should we be hodling on more than ever? So I don't know if a lot of you guys remember, but over the past couple of months, the SEC got absolutely given a from XRP, and they decided, you know what? Forget XRP. We're going to go after different coins instead. So what did they do? They decided they wanted to go after Sol, ADA, Matic, Filecoin, Sand, and Axie. Also, a bunch of others as well, which are lower caps. But guys, they lost the case to XRP, and they're going to be putting a lot more pressure on these other cryptos. Now, if you want to start off with ADA, you got an article here from Crypto Potato saying the SEC is not coming after ADA from our good old buddy Charles. And Hoskinson explained that the SEC's continuous crackdown on crypto entities is political and has nothing to do with securities law. And I do agree, there's too much politics getting into the financial system at the moment, and they really are just trying to tear down crypto by any means possible. Okay, so the SEC not coming after ADA, but in two recent lawsuits against the world's leading crypto exchanges, Coinbase and Binance, the SEC classified roughly 12 tokens, including Cardano's ADA, BNB, Sol, Polygon, Matic, and Filecoin, all as securities, insisting that they ought to be registered before listing on exchanges. Okay? So it's rinse and repeat, to be honest, guys. I'm sorry for the clickbaity title, but a lot of people are going to be panicking by this, and there's going to be more news that's going to come out in the future. Again, I can't foresee what these exact news articles are going to say, but I know it's going to be a lot of fuddy articles being written. And I do think that we are due one more leg down for crypto, guys. Bitcoin is sitting at 26k right now. Okay, you got Ethereum at 1.6k. And then as you go down, look at BNB. BNB got absolutely wrecked. I mean, this thing was $240, $250 not too long ago, nearly 260, and it went all the way down to nearly $200 and it's trying to climb its way back up. And I do think that with all the news coming out from the SEC later on this year, if they do get a decision to extend the case, or they say, okay, one out of these 12 coins is a security, it's going to really start to have a negative effect on crypto. But in this one, I really wanted to show you the opportunity that we could have from coins like ADA, for example. So on this channel, you know, we're big believers in ADA, we're big believers in Charles. And even though the SEC are coming after Cardano, we still stack. Now, guys, in the previous bull run, it took Cardano 217 days to complete its bottom formation, guys. And you see it was choppy here on the RSI. If we remove this, you can see that it was choppy here, up, down, trying to get some relief, crash, try and get some relief, crash. And at the time, you know, this, people could feel this, you know, this may look like nothing to you guys now, but this is just the macro scale of it, all right? And a couple of months before the bull run was when we actually bottomed out and then went on an insane rally. So could we be in this 217-day period before the next bull run? And hypothetically, guys, if we were, that would mean that we are somewhere in between this range right about now. We're trying to find our bottom formation right about now, and that's represented as well with the RSI coming back down from that median into the oversold levels, guys. Okay, this would line us up actually coming out and forming a bottom structure 2 months before the bull run starts, and that is exactly what it did last time as well. So while it may not chop the same way that it did last time, it's gonna ride it out the same way, guys. And again, things can change, but I trust the cycles. They have not proven me incorrect yet. Okay, so if we do chop around until March, what this means for you guys is we've got one final opportunity over the next 6 months to stack up as much Cardano as possible. And if this thing does go sour, it does go south, the SEC does everything they can, to try and, secure this as a security, to try and secure this as a security, to try and say that this is a security, guys, then yeah, I mean, it's going to be rough for ADA. However, I just don't think they're going to be able to say ADA is a security. It's going to be the same rinse and repeat as XRP. People were scared around this area here with all the fuddy news articles coming out. Coinbase, maybe they extend everything, and people don't want to buy until they find out the news. And guess what happens? They find out the news, and then what happened to XRP when it got cleared? We pumped up 100%, and people bought 90 cents, and now it's back down to 50, and that's how they get you wrecked. So it's just a matter of urgency, guys. Look at this time frame here compared to how long we've been in this bear market. Look at this time frame when you compare it. It's nothing. It's nothing. We had all this time to be accumulating, but I do think this is our final accumulation entry, okay? Whether it's at 20 cent, 30 cent, 10 cent, 15, we're not going to be looking back in 2 years' time when ADA has surpassed its previous all-time high, guys, okay? So again, guys, let me know what you think of ADA, whether you're going to be getting in this time, whether you have conviction behind your plays, or whether you think you want to stay on the sidelines. Let me know. And again, listen, guys, until next time, it's been your boy Lex Money Crypto. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.